Data centers are becoming one of the most important assets in the modern world because they power artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and nearly every digital service people use daily. The comparison to oil fields comes from a simple idea. Whoever controls the infrastructure that powers everything else gains long-term influence and economic advantage. To understand this shift, it helps to look at how value is created today. In the past, industries depended on physical resources like oil, steel, or electricity. Today, the most valuable companies depend on computing power. That computing power does not exist in isolation. It is generated, stored, and distributed through data centers. A data center is not just a building filled with servers. It is a carefully designed system that includes processing units, storage systems, networking equipment, cooling infrastructure, and power management. All of these components work together to deliver computing at scale. The more advanced the workload, especially in artificial intelligence, the more complex and expensive the data center becomes. The rise of AI has changed the importance of data centers. Training modern AI models requires thousands of high-performance chips running continuously for days or weeks. Even after training, these models need to be deployed, which means handling millions of user requests every day. This is called inference, and it often consumes more resources over time than training itself. Because of this, companies are investing heavily in building larger and more advanced data centers. These are not small facilities. Some of them consume as much electricity as entire towns. They require access to reliable power, large amounts of land, and advanced cooling systems to prevent overheating. Power is one of the biggest factors. Running AI workloads requires a massive and stable supply of electricity. Unlike traditional software systems, AI workloads cannot tolerate interruptions or fluctuations. This means data centers need not only access to the grid, but also backup systems, redundant power lines, and sometimes even dedicated energy sources. Cooling is another major challenge. When thousands of high-performance chips run together, they generate a significant amount of heat. If that heat is not managed properly, it can reduce performance or damage equipment. To solve this, data centers use advanced cooling techniques, including liquid cooling systems and optimized airflow designs. These systems add to both the complexity and cost of operating a data center. Location has also become a strategic decision. Data centers are often built in areas where land is available, electricity is affordable, and climate conditions help with cooling. Some regions are preferred because they offer lower temperatures, which reduces the cost of cooling. Others are chosen because they have strong infrastructure and connectivity. This is where the comparison to oil fields becomes clearer. In the past, companies competed for access to oil reserves because oil powered transportation, manufacturing, and economic growth. Today, companies compete for access to compute capacity because it powers AI, cloud services, and digital platforms. Large technology companies are not just using data centers, they are building and owning them. This gives them control over performance, cost, and scalability. Instead of relying entirely on third-party providers, they can optimize their infrastructure for specific workloads. This is especially important in AI, where small improvements in efficiency can lead to significant cost savings at scale. Cloud providers play a central role in this ecosystem. Companies that do not own their own infrastructure rely on cloud services to access computing power. Another important factor is networking. Data centers are not isolated systems. They are connected through high-speed networks that allow data to move between locations. This connectivity is essential for distributed computing, where workloads are spread across multiple data centers. Faster and more reliable networks improve performance and enable larger-scale operations. The economic impact of data centers is also growing. Building and operating these facilities requires significant investment, often in the billions of dollars. This includes not just construction, but also equipment, maintenance, energy costs, and staffing. As a result, data centers are becoming long-term infrastructure projects, similar to power plants or transportation networks. At the same time, there are challenges. One of the biggest concerns is energy consumption. As AI usage grows, the demand for electricity increases. This raises questions about sustainability and the environmental impact of large-scale computing. Companies are exploring renewable energy sources and more efficient technologies to address these concerns, but the scale of demand continues to grow. There is also the issue of resource concentration. When a small number of companies control a large portion of compute infrastructure, it can create dependencies. Businesses, researchers, and developers may rely on these providers for access to computing power. This centralization can influence pricing, availability, and innovation. Another layer to consider is geopolitics. Countries are starting to view data centers and computing infrastructure as strategic assets. Just as energy independence has been a priority in the past, compute independence is becoming important. Governments are investing in local infrastructure to reduce reliance on foreign providers and ensure access to critical technologies. In practical terms, this means that data centers are no longer just technical facilities. They are part of a broader system that includes economics, policy, and global competition. Decisions about where to build them, how to power them, and who controls them have long-term implications. From a technological perspective, the design of data centers continues to evolve. Traditional designs are being replaced with more specialized architectures that are optimized for AI workloads. This includes using high-bandwidth memory, advanced interconnects, and custom-designed chips. These changes improve performance, but also increase complexity. In simple terms, the importance of data centers comes down to control over computation. The more compute a company or country has access to, the more it can develop, deploy, and scale advanced technologies. This creates a feedback loop where more compute leads to better products, which generate more demand, which then justifies further investment in infrastructure. The comparison to oil fields is not about the physical resource, but about what it enables. Oil powered the industrial economy. Data centers power the digital and AI-driven economy. Both require large upfront investment, ongoing operational costs, and strategic planning. Looking ahead, the role of data centers is likely to grow even further. As AI becomes more integrated into everyday applications, the demand for compute will continue to increase. This will drive the need for more efficient, scalable, and sustainable infrastructure. At the same time, innovation will focus on reducing the cost and energy required to operate these systems. This could include new chip designs, improved cooling methods, and alternative computing approaches. The goal is to deliver more performance without increasing resource consumption at the same rate. In conclusion, data centers are becoming central to how modern technology operates. They are not just supporting systems. They are the foundation on which AI and digital services are built. The comparison to oil fields reflects their strategic importance, their economic value, and the competition surrounding them. In simple terms, the companies and countries that control large-scale computing infrastructure will have a significant advantage in shaping the future of technology.